Hello, and welcome to Healthy Living Every Day. Have you ever experienced this feeling? You hold an expensive jar of face cream in your hands, carefully applying a thin layer every night. But the next morning, when you look in the mirror, especially before an important event, the face looking back at you still appears dull and tired, like a flower that hasn't been watered. Many people write to me saying something like this: I take great care of my skin. I never skip a step, from serums to expensive masks, but my skin still looks stubbornly dull, almost like there's a thin fog covering it. Some even notice that when they apply makeup, their foundation starts looking patchy and lifeless after just a few hours. In reality, our skin functions like a cell renewal factory running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Under normal conditions, this factory produces a fresh new layer of skin cells about every 28 days. But when you're stressed, sleep-deprived, or your body is experiencing low-grade inflammation from a diet high in sugar, that renewal system begins to slow down. Dead skin cells don't get cleared away properly, and they start stacking on top of each other, like layers of dust building up on a glass window. When that happens, light can't reflect properly from the skin's surface, and your natural glow begins to fade. At that point, applying expensive skincare products on top is a bit like painting over a wall that's covered in mold. The product can't penetrate properly, and the results won't last. Skin doesn't just need to be coated with products, it needs to breathe, regenerate, and be nourished from the deepest layers where new cells are formed. In today's video, we're going to uncover why your skin's renewal system might be clogged, making all your skincare efforts feel ineffective. More importantly, I'll share a golden recipe you can make right in your kitchen. A restorative face mask designed to gently clear away dull buildup and awaken your skin's natural clarity and radiance in a scientifically grounded way. While you're watching, if you find these insights helpful and they make you feel more confident about caring for your skin, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support truly motivates me to continue creating more health and wellness content for our community. And now, let's begin exploring how this skin renewal factory really works. To create this biological skin restoring mask, we'll use 3 simple ingredients that many people already have in their kitchen. Individually they're helpful, but when combined, they create a complete skincare cycle, from cleansing and renewal to deep nourishment. The first ingredient is chickpea flour. In the nutrition world, chickpeas are often considered a powerhouse of plant protein. In just 100 grams of chickpea flour, you'll find nearly 20 grams of protein, along with a generous amount of zinc. If protein provides the building blocks the body uses to produce strong collagen and elastin, then zinc acts like a master coordinator for the body's enzyme systems. It helps regulate excess oil production and supports anti-inflammatory processes, making it particularly beneficial for skin that is sensitive, irritated, or prone to breakouts. One especially interesting compound found in chickpeas is saponin, a natural cleansing agent. You can imagine saponins as millions of tiny magnets that move deep into the pores, helping lift away dirt, pollution particles, and impurities, without damaging the skin's protective barrier, something many harsh commercial cleansers can accidentally disrupt. However, for these nutrients to truly reach the skin, we need a second ingredient to help open the pathway: plain unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a naturally gentle AHA, alpha-hydroxy acid. Its job is to loosen the bonds between older, hardened skin cells that accumulate on the surface. As those bonds soften, the dead cells naturally shed away. Once this door is opened, the skin surface becomes smoother, and it allows beneficial ingredients applied afterward to absorb more effectively. The final piece that completes this formula is raw honey. Honey is a natural treasure rich in powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds act like microscopic bodyguards, helping neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules largely responsible for premature aging and skin dullness. Even more fascinating, honey is also a humectant, meaning it naturally draws moisture from the surrounding environment and locks it into the skin. This helps keep skin hydrated, plump, and radiant after each use. Together, these three ingredients create a beautiful synergy. Chickpea flour helps deep clean pores. Yogurt gently refreshes and renews the skin surface. Honey locks in moisture and supports recovery. When these elements work together, dull skin can gradually feel as if it's been renewed with a fresh layer, becoming clearer, healthier, and naturally radiant over time. My friend, now that we understand the power behind these ingredients, let's talk about how to prepare and use this mask at home for the best possible results. To begin, use what I like to call the golden ratio. You'll need 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of plain unsweetened yogurt, and about half a tablespoon of raw honey. Mix everything together thoroughly until the texture becomes smooth and creamy, almost like a rich, professional-grade skincare treatment. The best time to apply this mask is in the evening, after your skin has been thoroughly cleansed. At night, your body naturally shifts into repair mode as part of its circadian rhythm. Skin temperature rises slightly, blood vessels gently expand, and the skin becomes more receptive to nutrients. In this state, beneficial compounds like peptides from chickpeas and lactic acid from yogurt can be absorbed far more effectively than during the daytime. When applying the mask, spread a thin, even layer across your face and allow yourself to relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. There's one very important tip I want you to remember. Don't wait until the mask becomes completely dry or cracked before washing it off. When a mask dries out fully, a process called reverse absorption can occur, where the mask begins pulling moisture back out of your skin. This can actually leave your skin feeling dehydrated. Instead, rinse it off gently with lukewarm water while the mask is still slightly moist on the surface. If you have sensitive skin or currently have inflamed acne, always take a moment to perform a patch test first. Simply apply a small amount of the mixture along your jawline or behind your ear, and observe your skin for about 15 minutes to make sure there's no irritation. Finally, because this mask contains natural AHAs that help renew the skin's surface, applying sunscreen the following morning is absolutely essential. Sun protection helps prevent hyperpigmentation and allows your skin to maintain a smooth, radiant appearance. My friend, even if a mask formula is excellent, if we rely only on topical treatments, we've really only completed about half the journey toward healthy skin. Think of your skin like a flower. A mask is like a drop of morning dew that briefly refreshes the petals. But for that flower to stay vibrant and beautiful over time, it needs strong roots and rich soil beneath the surface. That deeper nourishment comes from what we call internal nutrition. So what should we add to our diet to help brighten the skin from within? First, it's important not to overlook foods rich in vitamin C such as oranges, strawberries, kiwi, or bell peppers. From a biological perspective, vitamin C isn't just known for brightening the skin. It also acts as a cofactor, meaning it's required for certain enzymes in the body to link amino acids together and form collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, even if you consume plenty of protein, your body still cannot efficiently build a strong and resilient skin structure. Next are foods rich in lycopene, which you can find in ripe tomatoes, as well as polyphenols found in green tea. These compounds function almost like an internal sunscreen for your body, They integrate into cell membranes and help neutralize free radicals created by UV radiation and environmental pollution. By reducing this oxidative stress, they help prevent skin discoloration and dark spots before they even have a chance to appear on the surface. In addition, try incorporating more nuts and seeds into your daily diet, such as almonds or sunflower seeds, to boost your intake of vitamin E. When vitamin E works together with vitamin C, they form a powerful protective pair that helps shield the lipid layer of your skin cells. This protection allows the skin to retain its natural moisture and maintain the kind of soft elasticity often associated with youthful skin. But on the other hand, what are the real enemies that silently cause your skin to deteriorate over time? The number one culprit is refined sugar and highly processed carbohydrates. When you consume too much sugar, a medical process called glycation occurs in the bloodstream. During glycation, sugar molecules begin attaching themselves to important structural proteins in the body, particularly collagen and elastin. Once these sugar molecules bind to those fibers, they transform them from flexible, resilient strands into brittle, rigid ones that break down far more easily. The result is skin that gradually becomes dull, uneven in tone, and prone to wrinkles and sagging. Some scientists even describe this process as skin caramelization. It's similar to what happens when sugar is heated and turns into caramel, losing its original clarity and structure. In the same way, glycation causes the skin to lose its youthful smoothness and natural glow. That's why, in addition to nourishing your skin with natural ingredients like chickpea flour, it's equally important to support your body by limiting sugary drinks, soda, and heavily processed desserts. Instead, choosing a diet rich in fiber and antioxidants helps maintain what you could think of as your body's own beauty production system. With the right nutrition, that system can continue operating efficiently and supporting healthy, vibrant skin from within. I'd also like to share a small story with you. A close friend of mine once spent years chasing the most expensive luxury skincare products because she felt insecure about her dull complexion. One day she told me something I'll never forget. She said, "Sometimes it feels like I'm putting makeup on a body that's simply exhausted." Her turning point came when she decided to slow down. Instead of constantly searching for the next expensive cream, she began focusing on small daily habits, preparing simple natural skincare at home, adding a fresh tomato to her meals, and going to bed a little earlier each night. After about a month, the change was noticeable. Her skin didn't suddenly become porcelain perfect, but it looked healthier, more vibrant, and naturally luminous. Most importantly, the sparkle returned to her eyes. That's when she realized something powerful. When you begin caring for yourself with patience and kindness, your skin eventually responds in the same way. You see, skincare isn't really a race to buy the most expensive products. It's a journey of understanding your own body and learning to work with it rather than against it. Sometimes the true secret to glowing skin isn't hidden inside high-tech beauty labs. It's found in the simple act of returning to natural habits, listening to your body, and nourishing your cells from the inside out. I truly hope the golden formula, using chickpeas, along with the nutrition tips we shared today, will help you rediscover the clear, radiant skin you've been hoping for. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel Healthy Living Every Day. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming tips on living a healthier, more balanced life. Your support and the stories you share about your own results are the greatest motivation for continuing to spread these positive habits with our community. Wishing you confidence, joy, and the freedom to shine with your most natural beauty. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.